that in terms of his not being present today, it's not the result of some sort of infirmity or some other matter that would prevent him from being here to testify.
All right. The 804 804B, no, 804A is the criteria for being unavailable, which is obviously the first step of this. A5, I see where you're headed with that. It's mostly A4. A5, however, states that the witness is absent from the trial or hearing and the statement's proponent has not been able by process or other reasonable means to procure his attendance or testimony. I think it would fall under that one, and based on the fact that there's been evidence under...
Okay, right out of the gate, the judge is dealing with a missing witness situation, and this is where courtroom procedure gets really technical. The prosecution is basically saying, look, this witness is out of the country, we tried reasonable efforts, and under Rule 804, that makes them legally unavailable. Notice how carefully the judge walks through the exact subsection.
Oath that he is out of the country. I would grant this motion for this trial, had we had the trial. So I'm going to, like I said, it's a little different than the other. I think the other, with regard to the defendant's testimony, no matter when we go to trial, I will allow that. This one, if for some reason when the case gets reset, if Mr. Cale is not available at that time, I think we would also need to go through the same additional type of testimony. Hopefully he'll be back when this gets reset, but we'll reset it as quickly as possible. And then I will see if he's available. Obviously, we won't have to worry about this. If not, I'll need you to file it, and we'll have a hearing on that at that time.
Yes, Judge.
All right? All right, you can go back with the bailiff. Thank y'all. Sorry about the scheduling issue.
Sorry. Thank you, Your Honor.
I just need to kind of keep that handy-ish. All right, if I call your name, please come forward. Aiden Dickinson. Good morning. Are you Aiden Dickinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dickinson, did you get someone hired?
No, Your Honor.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to James R. Martin, who quoted me $7,000. Reverend Jackson quoted me $7,500, and the Gertz Kelly Law firm that quoted me $6,000.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired?
Your Honor, when I did apply for court-appointed lawyer, I had a higher paying job, but since my arrest, I got suspended from my job.
Okay.
Now I only make like $800 a month. I have a car and a apartment lease.
Okay. So thank you for doing what I asked you to do, Mr. Dickinson. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork again this morning, and I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true, and I'll take a look at it then. If you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Michael Garrett.
One wrong procedural step here could become appeal material later. This is the kind of detail that can quietly decide an entire case before a jury even hears opening statements.
Michael Garrett.
No response, Your Honor.
Be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at $100,000. Aaron Riley. Good morning, you're Erin Riley.
Yes,
And Miss Riley, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
no, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke with Ms. Holly Holmes, and she quoted me like 5,000. And I spoke with, I can't remember the name of the guy.
Did you write it down?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I wrote it down, but I left it at home.
Okay, so who else do you think you talked to?
I don't,
Do you catch how fast that happened? No response. Bond forfeited. Reset at $100,000. Court does not play around with non-appearances. A lot of people think skipping court just delays things. Nope. Usually makes everything dramatically worse. Higher bond, warrant risk, and now the judge sees you as unreliable before the case even progresses.
I don't know what the other names are.
Okay. Don't you think that would be important to bring,
Yes,
since I
ma'am.
asked you to bring that and have their names?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a second to look at something. I'm printing something out. Stand up. Miss Riley, if I test you this morning, are you gonna have something in your system?
No, ma'am.
Have a seat in the jury box. Let's check that first. Did she, did she by chance talk to somebody? Did she? Okay. I think that's the issue. I just looked at something. No, Miss Riley, come back up. I'm gonna hold doing that test. Do you have a job, Miss Riley?
No, ma'am, I'm applying for Social Security.
You don't receive it yet?
Not yet.
Have you already applied?
Yeah, I've already applied.
Is there a lawyer helping you with that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did they tell you how long it's gonna take for you to find out?
Probably about 6 more months.
Yeah. And you're not working?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you held a job?
That's been a while. It's like 2019.
Okay. Do you see,
Mental health?
mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Spindletop.
You go to Spindletop?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you going now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, and then I'll take a look at it, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Daryl Albritton? Good morning, you're Daryl Albritton?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get someone hired, Mr. Albritton?
Well, Marcus, I gotta make a down payment. Well, the child support been be honest with my check. That's my.
I can't understand a word you're saying. Speak up.
I'm sorry. I said I'm gonna go with Will Marcus.
Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
gonna start making a payment this week for him. But child support been garnished in my check, so that's why it took me a while to.
No, you've been coming for a while. So when you say start making a payment, how long is it gonna take you to get him hired?
I get mine this week.
Okay. This is gonna be the last reset, so I'm gonna give you a normal reset. That's 30 days to come up with enough to get him hired.
Okay, ma'am.
If you do, make sure that you bring the paperwork to his office when you make that payment, and they'll tell you what to do. If it's not gonna work out with Mr. Wilkerson for some reason, you need to try to hire someone else or talk to at least 3 others, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, please. Brissa De Hoyos? Good morning. Are you Brissa De Hoyos? Give me just a second, Ms. De Hoyos. This is your initial appearance and cause number 25 DCCR 1622. You're charged with a second-degree felony offense.
Whenever a judge suddenly asks, if I test you this morning, are you going to have something in your system? That tension in the room changes instantly. You can almost hear everyone sit up straighter. Notice something important here. The judge is paying attention not just to the charges, but behavior, attitude, preparedness, even possible sobriety concerns. Courtroom credibility matters more than people realize.
Of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from September 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, Mr. Hoyos, is since you've made bond, I want you to try to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to do that. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to when you come back so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? Step in front of the clerk. John Gray. John Gray.
John Gray. No response, Your Honor.
Bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at $100,000. Broderick Guillory. Good morning. Are you Broderick Guillory? And Mr. Guillory, this is your initial appearance. And cause number 25 DCCR 1716. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of burglary of a building from February 3rd of 2024. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Guillory, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, then bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Treasurer Harris. Good morning, your Treasurer Harris. And Ms. Harris, did you get someone hired?
No, but I was in.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to OP, I don't know what to say his name. And I talked to Hawk Law, and,
Where is that?
in Houston, where I stay.
Okay. How many, so who else you talked to, 2 or 3?
3, but one told me then they can't do this county.
Okay, did you try to talk to anyone from this county?
Mm,
Okay. How old are you, Ms. Harris?
20.
Okay. And are you working?
No, ma'am, I'm a full-time student.
Where do you go to school?
Lamar University, but I do it online.
So you probably could have a little job too.
Yeah, I've been trying, but due to me having an implementer, I haven't been able to do so.
Okay. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning since you did what I asked you to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you that paperwork. Devontre Johnson. Good morning, you're Devontre Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Johnson, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
Smith and Shipley, Brittany Holmes, and Wilkerson.
Okay, and are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Working at Checkers.
Okay, so thank you for doing what I asked you to. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. Don't just leave blank or write zeros. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that. A bunch of them today. Caleb Jubert. Good morning, you're Caleb Jubert. And Mr. Jubert, you've got 2 cases. Were you able to get someone hired? Speak up, please. Who'd you talk to? Speak up.
Tony Smith.
Say the first one.
I don't know.
Hand it to the bailiff. So did you talk to him or somebody talked to him for you?
Me and my mom was talking.
So are you do you go to MHMR, Spindletop? No? What's that written on here for? You don't know? So are you working? Why not? You don't know? Where have you been looking?
I went to work. But I had to do my ID. I didn't have my ID.
Do you have your ID now? Okay. If I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system? Have a seat, let's double check that. Autumn Payne. Autumn Payne. Good morning, you're Autumn Payne? And did you get someone hired, Miss Payne? Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Reagan and Linda.
Speak up,
I
please.
talked to Reagan. I talked to Vivian and Jeff.
Who's Reagan? Whole name, give me a whole name.
Reagan L. Lee.
Minaldi,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
And then Benjamin Jeffrey.
okay.
And I also talked to, there's another bit also. I talked to.
Okay.
Before,
Are you working?
I should be starting to.
Where are you starting? Okay. So I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm gonna have you fill it out to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct. You'll step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork. Jason Weinberg. Jason Weinberg.
Nathan Weinberg.
It's a big old designation docket. It's all right. Good morning. You're Jason Weinberg?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Weinberg, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
I do got some lawyers.
Okay, who'd you talk to?
I talked to Ferguson, Crenshaw Law Firm, Franklin and Franklin Associates, the Gertz, and Sheelan.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
Popeyes.
Okay. So thank you for doing what I asked you to do, Mr. Weinberg. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Make sure you fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk down there. She'll give you that paperwork. Tiffany Elair. At least you're doing what I asked. I can get some of them off this docket. Good morning, ma'am. You're Tiffany Elair. And Ms. Elair, were you able to get someone hired?
No, there was some discrepancies with my attachment that I was trying to get from my teacher for time. I wasn't aware that I was supposed to get your last day of the contract because they paid me through, even though they forced me to resign. That's how I was arrested, so I had to start their process over with the retirement. But I did get proof of unemployment last week.
Okay.
So I still want to go with Mr. Walker because he's going to give me 2 forms with his case and my double.
This judge keeps repeating the same instruction over and over. Contact at least 3 attorneys. There's strategy behind that. Court wants proof that defendants are actively trying to secure counsel instead of stalling the process. Because once a judge starts believing you're delaying intentionally, patience disappears real quick.
Okay.
So I'm planning on paying him as soon as I get my first payment or the retirement payment, whichever
Okay.
one is first.
Okay, sounds good. So I'll give you another reset in order to try to get all that worked out. If you'll just make a note, it's is it the Judge Walker or his son? One, Kyle. Kyle Walker, and she's working on retirement and unemployment. She's going to pay him with that. She'll give you a reset. Thank you, ma'am. Jalen Eli. Good morning, sir. You're Jalen Eli. And Mr. Eli, did you get someone hired? Who'd you talk to? Burbank?
Yeah, Burbank.
And is that who you're going to hire?
Yes,
Okay, are you working?
yes.
When are you gonna be able to get him hired?
Well, just like my job, it go by like seniority. Like I'm in service right now, working on just got back last month, so I should be soon.
Okay, looks like this is your second time or third time here, so you need to try to get him hired before that next court date if you can, okay? And, if you make a payment and you haven't hired him all the way, bring a like a receipt. Also, if you haven't been able to hire him, did you bring pay stubs today as well? Okay, bring that next time. I'm gonna give you some time to get him hired. If for some reason that doesn't work, bring that as well when you come back. Okay, step in front of the clerk. Darian Broussard. Darian Broussard.
So she's present with me 7:00. He's trying to call for a sitter.
Okay,
He's right outside the door. He says someone's gonna come.
okay, but they're not here yet. Let me hold it till the end and see if somebody comes. I'll just hold it for a minute. Kelvin Johnson. Kelvin Johnson.
He's here, but
Kelvin Johnson. Oh, no, that's
yeah.
Mr. Broussard.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on up, Mr. Broussard. And then if you'll call Kelvin Johnson, he'll be next. Good morning, sir. You are Darian Broussard. Mr. Broussard, were you able to get someone hired?
I had a close point attorney before I left here. He gave me his number and things I'm going to talk about.
Right. So you were here before with me, and I told you you had to try to hire a lawyer. Remember? Okay. Did you not understand that?
Yeah, I asked, can I hire him?
Oh, you're going to try to hire.
Yeah, that's why I was asking, can I hire him?
You can. Yeah, you can hire
He told me
whoever
I
you
could,
want
that's
to.
why that's why I was asking. I was asking him, he said, my court appointment, and I was like, can I hire you? He was like, yeah. And he like, gave me increased payment, like,
When was that? At the last court date?
But
So
he never got in contact with me. I called, obviously.
You called him?
I had set an appointment to do a meeting with them.
Okay. I don't see Mr. Rojas here. Yeah, so your plan is to hire Mr. Rojas.
Yeah, that's what my whole plan was to hire him.
I'm gonna reset your case one more time. You need to get Mr. Rojas hired, and if that's not gonna work out for some reason, then you need to talk to at least 3 other
And I'm
attorneys.
tired.
And, but make sure you call, leave a message. Don't just assume that he sees something on their phone, okay? Leave a message, tell him you want to hire him. I'm sure he'll get back with you.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't wait till the week before court.
Yes, ma'am.
Start calling him this week. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. Kelvin Johnson,
No response from Kelvin Johnson.
his bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. Anthony McFarland. Anthony McFarland.
Anthony McFarland.
Maverick Neal. I just need your name, Mr. Doyle.
Okay.
No response, Your Honor.
Mr. McFarland's bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. My pen just died. Corbin Rayleigh. Good morning. You're Corbin Rayleigh? And Mr. Rayleigh, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, no.
Did you talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am. Crenshaw, Walker Law Firm, Judge Wright.
Okay,
I should talk to Beard and Orange.
okay. Where are you on being able to get someone hired?
Beard is the closest one.
Okay,
But I've been door dashing here lately, so.
okay. So you're trying to save up to get Mr. Bearden?
Yeah.
All right, so thank you for doing what I asked you. I'm going to reset your case another 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get Mr. Bearden or someone else hired. If for some reason it's not going to work out with him, go ahead and call 3 others, bring me those names. You can tell they all have different payment plans and options and things like that, and then we'll discuss your options, okay? Step in front of the clerk.
That last one.
The last one is,
On that page.
oh, okay.
Bottom of the page.
Thank you.
Sign, keep your sign on.
Kyle Whittington.
Thank you.
Good morning, you're Kyle Whittington.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Whittington, you've got 2 cases. Were you able to get someone hired?
Actually, this current job is actually like been reduced on me, so like I've been transitioned to a new job, which is a lot more higher paying, so that's gonna make it where I can actually get this lawyer that I'm wanting to actually get hired, so.
Who are you wanting to hire?
I think to do, Kelly, I think it was.
Tom Kelly?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so thank you for working towards that, Mr. Whittington. I'm going to reset your case one more time to see if you can hire Mr. Kelly.
But I was gonna ask, like, cause like 30 days, like with this transition to this new job, like I might need a little bit more than 30 days. To
See where you get in 30 days. Bring me pay stub when you come back so that I know that you're working towards, that you have a job, what your income is, and then if you need a little more time after that, then I'll give you that option.